In this video, you will get information on how to run an FSKX model from the RAKIP catalog. As an example, we will run this quantitative microbial risk assessment for Salmonella in eggs model. Additional information about this detailed view of the models can be found in another video. In this detailed view, you have a variety of options. First of all, you could download the model by clicking on this link. And this is the URL that allows you to download the file. With this window popping up, you can save the FSKX folder on your local computer. To run the model from the catalog, it is possible to either decide to go for the default parameters or make simulations using your own parameters. To use the default parameters, you can click here. And this link now allows you to execute the model in the VRE. Here you can see that you can use the data miner to run the model on the VRE. So this is the algorithm that allows you to run FSKX models. Once the model runs successfully, you can see this green bar that says computation complete. Multiple results are shown. First of all, you can download the log of the computation. You can also download the output file, which is an entire FSKX folder. You can download the image that is the result of the model, and you can download the entire workflow for KNIME. Here you can see the example of the image. To run the model with your own parameters, you can click here. This URL will give you the chance to change the default parameters and run the model. Here you can see the default simulation. On the left-hand side, you can see the abbreviations for the parameters. Here you have the default value, and on this button you can get detailed information about the parameters. The ID of this parameter is min_d1. The name of the parameter is also min_d1. Min_d1 stands for minimum time period at farm, and it is in hours. The unit is given here. The unit category is time, and the expected data type is an integer. Using this information, we now can make a simulation using our own parameters. To do so, we add a simulation. Here we can give this simulation a name, for example, simulation 1. Assuming we would like to change this minimum time period, we now can say this should be 1. We can save this simulation. In theory, of course, now we could also delete this using this button. To run the simulation, you scroll down and click on Next. Now you have to click on this link in order to run the model in the VRE. Here you see the results of the simulation. Again, you can download the log of the computation, you can download the output, the image, and the workflow for KNIME. Here you can see the result of the simulation that is run with personalized parameters.